Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect broker to MetaTrader-5. So for that, you need that application onto your device. Just download it from Google Play Store or App Store. So after that, make sure you are logged in on this MetaTrader app. After opening the MetaTrader app, you need to go to this menu bar at the left side of the screen and here tap on Manage Accounts. After tapping on managing accounts, you can see this plus icon, just tap on it. And here you can see the option called Find Broker. You may search for the broker that you may like or click on the broker that is provided. I'm going to choose this MetaCodes Limited. And after that, you need to log in into an existing account. Just tap in your login details and go with the further process. Tap in your login account, your email address or whatever. After that, your passport and choose your server. After that, tap on save password if you want it and then log in. And that's how easily you just connect your broker to MetaTrader easily. After logging in, your account will be linked with Make Broker, and just follow the steps that I just told you and you will easily connect your broker to MetaTrader-5. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video. Don't